The federal trial is over for Milwaukee County Judge Hannah Dugan, but her defense team says their legal battle is not. Here's our first look at the official verdict document. Not guilty on the misdemeanor charge of concealing, guilty on the more serious felony charge for obstruction. Our chief political reporter, Charles Benson, followed the trial every step of the way. He joins us now with the steps that are still to come.
Yeah, the next step is traditionally sentencing, but federal Judge Lynn Adelman has yet to set a date, as Dugan's defense team is seeking to have the judge set aside the verdict. Now, the defense is going to focus on how Judge Adelman responded to two key jury questions, seeking clarity about what did Judge Dugan know about federal agents' arrest warrant and who was it for. So we talked with Dugan's attorney, Steven Biskupic, a former U.S. attorney with a lot of experience with federal trials. He's looking at if Dugan's alleged conduct was the same in both counts, why a split decision?
It is that the verdict encompasses the problem with how the questions were answered. So our main argument is going to be about how the questions were answered.
The judge answering the questions.
Yeah, because they were essentially the same questions. And in count one, it's answered one way. In count two, it's answered another.
Now, the trial lasted 4 days with federal prosecutors calling 19 witnesses and the defense 4. Jury deliberations lasted about 6 hours. So what are the chances of Dugan's lawyers getting a judge, Judge Adelman, to set aside the verdict?
But it has to be made. You're not going to get it overturned unless you ask for it. And so obviously we will be asking for it. You know, what the odds are, all of that depends on the strength of the issues and the record you develop.
So Biskupic describes Hannah Dugan as a good person who has a good support system to help her get through this challenge. Also, we heard last night from the interim U.S. attorney, and that is Brad Schimmel, and he talked about this case, saying it was not trying to make somebody an example of what's going on here. He says it was necessary to hold Judge Dugan accountable because of the actions.
It was interesting last night to hear him say that this was not to make an example of Judge Dugan. After what we got from the top levels of the Justice Department and the FBI the day she was arrested. Kash Patel, the head of the FBI, and Pam Bondi were posting photos of her being let out in handcuffs, which is highly unusual.
Yeah, he tried to reinforce that he didn't think this was a political case, but you talk about what happened back in May around the arrest, and things sounded and looked differently based on what was said in the courtroom during those 4 days of the trial. That part of it never entered the trial.
Wisconsin, a far distance away from Washington, at
right.
least in that respect. All right, Charles Benson, thank you.